Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a woodpecker out of 48 pieces of magic puzzle for 7. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish. First one away from you. Now count to 1, 2, and finish. Go to the right. Now since green one towards you. Now since yellow one towards you. Now since one's run down. Now since red one down. Now since orange one up. Now since green one down. Now since yellow one away from me. Now since blue one down. Now since blue one to the right. Now since blue one up. Now since red one down. This blue one down. Now this green one up. Now this yellow one to go back. Now this one's one down. Now this red one to the right. Now this orange one to the right. Now this yellow one away from you. This blue one down. Now this blue one down. Now this purple one towards you. Now this blue one up. Now this blue one down. Now this green one to the right. Now count to 1, 2, and finish. Orange one towards you. Now this red one to the left. Now count to 1. And count for 1, 2, 3, 4. And finish. Blue one down. Now count to 1, 2, and finish. First one to the left. Now since blue one away from you. This is what it should look like on the other side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and follow my Facebook and Instagram page for more videos. Bye.